My name is Andrew Moyani Korieta, a holder of Masters of Science from the Nairobi University, Bachelor of Commerce from the Nairobi University, Certified Public Accountant Level 2, and a Diploma in Horticulture, with 5 years of hand-on experience in fodder production, holding a position of Managing Director in Waneka Nyasi campaign. I'm glad to take you through a Boma Rhodes training course. This is a very lucrative business idea. Thank you. With improved farming techniques in the country, like the introduction of zero grazing units, we also have feedlots. The two has really opened up a sound business for fodder growers. Because for quality meat and milk, hay is considered amongst the most important and nutritive ingredient that boost animal health with the required energy and protein. Both are the backbone to the ruminant's dry matter for any optimal yield. Hay also has a very unique characteristic. Why? It can be stored for a year and still be consumed by animal nicely because it has a very nice scent. Rhode Grass has 5 varieties. Number 1 is Boma, which is the most common, in our country. This is a drought-tolerant perennial grass that grows up to a height of 90 centimeters high. It's very good for hay production, and it is the most common, as I said earlier, in our country. And its origin was from South Africa, and most of the time it does very well in loam soil. Propagation is also done by either using seeds, using broadcasting method, or root split. Root split is recommendable where the plot is very small, and also it reaches maturity very early because cuttings are ready by 4 to 6 months, and grazing as well. Grazing is not recommendable because normally animals pluck it off and the farm will be more spacey. Production of hay grass normally produce 200 bales, but its highest production begins in the second year. Our second variety is called Extosi. This grass was introduced in the semi-arid of coastal region in around 1984, and it has spread to other moisture stressed part of our country. That include Makueni, we have Kwale, we have even Tana River, Kilifi, and also Lamu. This grass is also perennial and grows to a height of an average of 140, depending on the environment as well and the soil. It is spread on runners, and it prefers sandy and also loamy soil, but of volcano origin. The seed germinate so easily, but the only problem is they are fluffy, so it has problems of handling. The other variety is called Ember. It is suitable for all climate conditions, but it does best in soil that are sandy. It has a high growth rate suitable for intensive grazing. This means that this crop can withstand grazing. Fourth road grass is called Mbarara. Mbarara originated from Uganda, and it somehow, stemmy and very productive and give, high seed yield. It has a lot of seeds, and as you can be able to see, with good figure. Then our fifth and the last variety is called Masamba. Masamba is very leafy but productive, but the seeds are affected by mat, and sometimes there is a funky disease that affects both the seed. It affects also leaf and flowers, but it forms something like a soot that form a mass, and most of the time it discourages farmers from grow it. The last two varieties are not really common, and they are not really good in hay production in terms of bells.